much time today, but don't worry, Wednesday. But I'm coming. The reason why I'm making this video is for you mothers, you sisters, you brothers, your relatives that have disabled children. All these people, all these companies are signing Jpac. Now, my question becomes, is that what you guys represent? And those of you that will go there and patronize Jpac, that means you're supporting Jpac to molest, disrespect, bully, disvalue, disable some mothers that have put in everything it takes, their time, the pain they are passing through. That means you are supporting Jpac, and the companies are signing Jpac to continue to bully and disrespect these people that are passing through a lot. For me, thank God I don't have no disabled children, but I'm putting this out there for those of you that will go and patronize any furniture, any drink, any house, any hotel that Jpac is commercializing for. I am putting it out there that you are the one that will continue to give Jpac the infantry, the guts, the ability to disrespect women, families, men, whoever you are, the disabled ones that will take care of, that will see what they are going through. You are the one that giving Jpac the liberty to insult, to destroy, not to have empathy or sympathy when it comes to children like this. Jpac owe everybody an apology, including those children that he mocked, including those families that are passing through a lot, crying on a daily basis. God, what did I do? Like I said, I do not have any disabled children, but my heart goes to these families. So the reason why I'm making this video, if you are buying anything that Jpac is putting on there, or any company, should be boycott. Jpac should be boycott. Those companies should be boycott, because you guys are the one that giving Jpac the guts, the ability, the impetus to do everything that he's doing. We are talking about sensitive issues. We are talking about mothers, children that are passing through a lot. This family did not have the children because they have committed any crime or anything. It's just that
I'm going to be busy now, drag him online. No, I'm going to be busy now, drag him online. All this why in I drag him online or anything. And when it comes to us, or when see when I say, Korabama if me,
Ishi, no one Hebrew. You came out on social media. Biagwa the whole world. You start mocking those disabled children, and you still came out here to lie that you never said anything. You came out on social media and told the world that my father raped me. You still said that when he hit him, the way he hit him. You see that even the company product for you to commercial for them are also lying. Block anybody. You don't need to delete their comments. Block them. Deleting the comment means that maybe you want them to still be. Block them. And when anything truth that will come out of your mouth to Jpac. That was why I made this video, jogging. These women that passing through a lot in the name of they had disabled children. Do you know what it takes for someone who disabled kids? Do you know why government teach Obuda? Do you know why they call them special needs kids? It's because they put in every goddamn thing. Or the reason I would not have this time to be anchoring program, because government do visit them in Tekanolo often and on, because all the reason it's not an easy thing for you coming online. You didn't just mock. You didn't just mock those things that have children. You are mocking the company that are giving you products to commercial for them. I tell you, I'm Oya, Otila. Well, you're mocking those companies that are giving you products to commercial for them. You're not telling them that the company are supporting you, bullying children. You are not telling us that these furnitures and the company that are signing, they are in support of you molesting those disabled children. Do you? Assure Madam Eutoria, goodbye. Otila. You are now any mother, and you're of age Ghana Bago is 80. Let me do not exaggerate. 60% of you, Assure, you know the tire. Oh yeah. Don't waste my time. Any woman that is of age and any man that is of age that is supporting Jpac and what he said, you know fully well I don't have no disabled case. But you sitting up there supporting this atrocity, this abomination, chances of you having those disabled children are 60%. If you don't know your biology, go and read it. Science cannot lie. Science cannot lie. And you that have disabled children and you're here supporting Jpac, I pity you, because think of what you're going through. And a full-grown-ass man that is often in the circle of having the same disabled children. As much as a man is above 40, your chances of having disabled kids are high. I know none of you guys are alone. None of you guys are alone. And Jpac will comfortably sit up and mock. No. No, you feel why I don't have no disabled children. Jpac is mocking you. Jpac have already told us that these companies on a put through ad that what they do is to mock disabled kids. Because I have never seen a reasonable company that have something upstairs that will allow somebody like this, who knows what communities, people, various homes that are passing through, that will come and give Jpac their products to come and commercial for them. That means this company should be boycott. Automatically boycott them. Anybody that's in a Jpac commercial without him coming online to render a significant apology. To render a significant apology in this thing over here. I pity all of you that I'm obeying and you're of age. Go and find out. But science made some research. Muriaku made some research and see what age is very close for having those disabled kids. Is very, very high. The chances of you producing this thing. Do you think you're mocking me? I don't have any. But I just want to put it out there. Is that what all these companies represent? Because I'm about to play them before now. This company stand to represent all these responsible content creators. People that will put up your products with dignities and respects. Yahweh man who come out on social media to disvalue and disgrace and bully those that cannot do for themselves. Those their brain are not well functioned. Is that what you guys stand for? I'm asking I just want to, we have company again. What your company represents, you carry this thing to molest and disrespect and disvalue children. And then we have the ability to nurture and to do things. And then we have the chance to thank God. Or people that don't have the, what they call it, to say, because God, can you one came to, or they are not opportune to marry when others are getting married. Things fall apart and even instead of Jpac, knowing fully well that I don't have those disabled children. But now he's indirectly mocking all of you that will go and support these companies that giving Jpac ad to patronize them. When you buy that furniture from Jpac, you have already told them that you are in support of mocking those children. When you buy or you go to that hotel to lodge, you have already tell us, yes, we are in support of what Jpac is doing to those innocent children. When you go there to buy the drink in Anwangu, know fully well that you are the support of where people are being destroyed. Imagine my God, do you know what it takes for a mother? Joe Esim Bakara, why he came out with tears, you know, Joe Esim Bakara, what it means to battle with such lifestyle. They'll shed their tears. A full-grown man who is representing and a lot of Igbo young boys and ladies are following him. I help put on social media. People that are not when he hear corner, when he you know, but who are you mocking? Who are those children you're mocking? The same people that be patronized at the furniture. Those furnitures that he put together are out there. Is that what the company represents? To bully those that don't have the ability to stand for themselves. I'm asking all of you, is that what the hotel signifies to represent? Is that what you guys stand for? So when I got China, the whole Facebook, and when you look at Tanaka, as somebody got an ambassador, Jpac, a man who represents fetishness, who go to a place, get your gebu madu. Is that what your company represents? Your company represents that a man who cannot shut his mouth and wear secrets. Is that what your company represents? Your company represents a man who joined a group. Is that what your company stands for? I am asking all of you. So for all of you that are reasonable Nigerian men and women that reason before they act, anything that Jpac is commercializing for is prohibited. We should boycott every company. Who is calling me? Hello? 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 And money we shall contribute to the Neku. Okay, I'm live. Oh, I'm live. No get your cake and jacka. I can only hear request. Okay, bye-bye. So, Anama Juna, this company is a Gadarana. I should edge a lot of commercial like a beacon. You know, we understand therefore to humiliate them way God to stand and criticize people in way God. Is that what you guys stand for? Or will you not stand the reform? Anama Juna, is that what you guys represent? Let me play all the companies Jpac in a minute ad. I want you guys to boycott it. Stay away from company that support molest or disabled children. Company that support company that support a man in a because of Ghana. While the same man has been saying all manner of stuff, I want you to boycott every company that are giving Jpac ability to mock someone's father around. I thought Igbo were values. I thought Igbo were dignities. I thought Igbo were things that we do not play with. Also mado. Jpac is that what your company supports? Is that what your company supports? Also mado. Your company are not supposed to come and lay a false allegation. You know support. Let me block you for saying leave it for God. We have company stand to support a man who talks something that never existed. Because company that Jpac in a minute had, you all of you should boycott and stay clear from things like this. Hold on. Let me show you.
Boss. Now, I'm not going to go to the furnish factory, the office factory, and legend interior. This
Ledger's interior should be boycott. This Ledger's interior is the one giving Jpac the impetus to respect disabled children. This Ledger's interior should be boycott automatically. Ledger's interior. Are you not seeing where Jpac is molesting disabled children? Ledger's interior, is that what you stand for? You know, we ain't stand for. Ledger's interior, are you among the people now Jpac Ghana with 30,000? Let me show you. I talk with evidence. Share up this program. Share this program. Come show no. What Ledger's interior is stand to gain. What you stand to do. Is that what you guys? All these companies should be boycotted. Stay clear. Come show no. Ma we get see the Jpac. It's gonna 30,000. What we stand for, to buy or to patronize, because I am of good citizens, to patronize good things. That is what we stand for. Your company get standard for. Come on, about water. Where the Jpac belong. Is that what your company? I show mad woman. Oh yeah, no need of watching mad woman. Oh yeah, from get out. Where your company get standard for. Where we gather our women, where Jpac belong and Governor Onyoshi. Is that what your company stand for? Where they belong, the groups they belong, the groups they bring out to gather our girls, to be seducing, gathering them to be doing what? Your company just stand for. Guys, share this video and click love and like. Facebook could disregard any report on this video. All we are doing is to create awareness. That is the only thing we are doing. Jpac is a member of this group. We are Jim Venza, the auto distributor. We are Kingsley that Jpac can fight on his platform on a daily basis. And then I bought me here. Can I be busy? Hello? Hello? Yeah. Hey, I'm live for when you go. Okay.
What you are saying is right.
Okay.
Nigeria and Nigeria are supporting A4.
Okay.
But don't any company. We know, people know all the companies. You know, we support you. We support what the exposition you are exposing. They are calling it saga. It's not saga.
Thank you.
It's not saga.
Thank you.
Our God have appointed her to expose them. Bikono. When we are listening, sister, don't mention any company. We are with you. That is my own contribution.
Thank you. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Come to you, Eva, my sister. Eva, you're welcome. Do not listen to any idiot. You don't have time. Just silence the idiots. When people are looking for your attention, they seem to get, all right. Let me silence you. All right, Otilo. This place is not meant for everybody. It's meant for intellectual and intelligent Nigerians. It's meant for intellectual, intelligent Nigerians. Anybody that patronize that company, you are among those who allow Jpac to mock disabled children. Anybody who patronize that, you are telling them that this company is supporting Jpac in the name of group open and close. Is supporting this company where they lure women into so anybody can come in and contribute as well. I will give you the, but let me continue to do what I'm doing. So for those of you that will come here to tell Ogechi any other way, boycott all these companies that Jpac is running ad for them. Boycott it. It's prohibited. They stand with our arrow. I am telling you with my foot, guys, share this program as you're watching me. If you're reaching being an ad, they're crazy, they're mad. Legend interior. Oh yeah, go love him. You can't love him here. Comment here again.
The best people that are watching.
This legend interior should be by cops. I'm here because we have a live video. This legend interior should be by cops. Support legend interior. So you support a man that will bring out someone's factor. So you don't value the dead. The only thing, the only thing in the world, so we cannot you cannot tell me that you are not being saying or watching what is happening. Do not patronize. Hold on. Do not patronize anything. This interior furniture patronizing is against humanity. Is against everything that this world stand to represent. Jpac na molest in the round. Jpac na molest who disabled children at the handle. Jpac na put make up stories with all manner of lies. And you guys want to tell me that I should keep quiet? I will keep announcing it to the world. And when many furnitures, and when people that are responsible, and when other pages that can be able to patronize some reasonable stuff, not arrow, we will say no to it. Furniture, Ghana support to the Jpac in a boom Madibia Gadibia. Furniture, support the Jpac in a group. They got them one. Yeah, 30,000. Yeah, she other men in expensive thing. Furniture, company Ghana. Jpac approve disabled children now more. It's not that this company we stand to patronize and support. It's for Aru. We will not stand to support such impunity. We say no to Aru. Let's continue. Do not. Legend interior should be by gods. Legend interior should be boycotted entirely. Hello? Hello? Yeah, hello? Yes. Yeah, I don't put on for last speaker. I don't put on for last speaker. Yeah. They are listening to you. Now me they hear what you they talk. If you are watching the video, you know say I'm the one they're hearing what you're saying. Nobody they listen to you. Come on, get the fuck out of my platform. My block go the number in the first place. Because a malif I don't know my face. The time CG man nama call up. I'm not Jpac again, but it's quite unfortunate.
Is it because I don't record people? See, because now I thought about this. You know, all this why they go now. I'm going to ask what is evidence, what is evidence. That is why you have to be equal.
Now let me tell all of you that giving Jpac ad company giveaway saga company. Company giveaway a saga company. I just want you to know that your company again with breeding, so you better stay clear from anything that has to do with Jpac. All these people that are giving him ad, giveaway a saga company. Oh, giveaway a saga company. Because all I want to do is I am just say for video. All I want to do is give me commercial. For those of you that say, come on, now him start amo. I am just say for the video. All of you use now him use me. They run ad. You know you fully aware that everything now I am agbaramia. Now Oburula company no patana saga. So I will use this as experiment. So that's get it. Your sagaring company. No, now him start amo. Now him use do ad this morning. And I'm about to tell the world to boycott it with every honesty in you. Because they are supporting Aru. Boycott it. Our danger to the society. It is on a sponsor Aru. Jpac is signified on a sponsor. So all can good no company no has become a saga company in this society. Don't need to go away.
Yes, now. On do but I'm saying that no one repeat also as money go obia juro ya obi really so na about lebita. But I'm saying that
stay away from the same Peter but I'm done a job and a miss here with Obarande mad. Stay away from the same Peter. That's the reason why only way I try him because all one dibia. Stay away from it. Our is forbidden. It's prohibited. Yaruzema get go Obarande mad to sacrifice a dear miss according to Jpac. Oh yeah, but no one with mania. I try people have him at no with the mania. No one with this mania has been hiding. Other people the same mania. That is a money and I support to her. That means everything talk about money and where she. So if you can come here, I still give this. That means everything Jpac is said about you is nothing but the truth. If you can still associate with this party, by any just to get customer, not destiny. So if this is true, then keep giving Jpac to support this arrow. As I stand in here, anything that Jpac put on is supporting abomination and atrocity. There is no two ways about it. Jpac has made company as a saga company, as arrow company, as abomination company, just for you to understand.
This guy na market. You know what you will then you market is somewhere. No be way. Na come na check you online. You know what you will then you market is somewhere. Na market. I don't get no drive no the chat. You know
this manya Jpac could not a job plan. Ejiri me sacrifice. So ya ni hu aro so no he je mi sim manya. Na as far as saying that destiny has been collected. As far as saying that destiny has been collected. That I get present here in the ghost of the can renew all the same way Jibam that so much in that now that's your premises that particular time need you renew all or the same way Jibam na manina war paramisi ejime sacrifice. So do not patronize this opu opu destiny. On a destroy destiny on a war. Not that only kidney problem I am telling you nothing but the truth. Share with this video. If you want to save a brother, if you want to save a sister, if you want to save a mother, if you want to save your loved ones, this video is very important to share. Stay clear from people that patronize arrow, people that mock disabled children, people that mock, people that disrespect the dead, somebody that don't have value. God, women have shower, disrespect and disvalue everything. Stay clear from it. your product will get buaro, your product will be in shampoo, your product will be destroyed. Let me get the truth. So choose responsible content creators. Choose people that can put your market out there. Do not choose Aro. Do not choose somebody na gonna be a problem while he has been doing that for years. You want to go? I'm not mentioning any company. Don't mention here. Can never mention any product or should here should be boycott with immediate effect.
Yeah, no, that girl, we people there do that. If I can my warehouse, I'm here we be working at Jpac, I'm going to have a career limit. No, you okay, no, that they do that. I made you go to fans, but I'm going to make it. Yeah, when I did it. All I say there, when you were killed in a baram, we also have a channel. Yeah, boom to the end. Yeah, I know
the same you that came out and start saying that other bitters they kidney problem. It's not you patronizing more bitters. The same bitters say, but I'm the age of now the reason why the owner actually because all we know tibia and the normal all the same manager can matter piano. Igbo, one also destiny you are being shattered in this drink. Oh, Paronu, image you life unu are being in this. In Woga destiny give progress get bam. Iyanine ewere ya na erudu their own. Be careful. Mataki china na eshe bupute rig na le mo tutu ono dia. Le ma akpiri ono dia. Le ma oko ono dia. Le everything in the kitchen ahụ ma ebupute nri nye gị ga-eri for your own life. For your own life. Le ma ebupute nri mmanya ihe niile from there will you be able to drink? I'm Jpac America. Before you start cooking, I get in the city garden, make inspection. Monitor the where you get this you eat. Because of Panamado or Panamo according to Jpac. Eating shigata. What is the Peter Session on a book kidney? God, amazing. Nkana future, Nkana destiny, Nkana boom mother. Stay clear from all this company that support our role. It is no to go. Agama very dark woman at this Igbo place. I'm not here to commercial anything. I'm not here for you to give me. We must stop all these impunities.
All these things in the because I'm not a good marketer. Come close to me now.
Number one, I did not forge anything. Thank God that many people have confirmed it. I will also play your brother, right hand man, people everywhere. Bye bye. Is saying the truth that everything in Kuru, I will also play the video after this one. Ngozi, Abija share it, get to working in Abija just share this one. But he Jana, and I okay, Ghana and Buri. Ngozi Okaf, Abija share this program. That is why they share. I told me to give one place, don't share. The me who on actually do time. Appointment in the next one will make another one on to not share. I pity who be okay, chief. Okay, you don't need to be my friend, you don't even need to put anybody. Oh yeah, Otila. Do not patronize any company, name a furniture, Jpac Ikuru. They are not better than anything. Any company that ever molest to go mansion, the disabled should be boycotts. And when anything is good in anything Jpac stand to represent, all of them are costs. Costs from A to Z are costs. Do not be a party to an abomination. Don't do that. He said, oh, a bad woman. You know, Makana is a dent. Boycott everything. And when responsible content creators, they are many in Southeast. Give them Onyararo. He's fucked up. He has no respect for. He has no respect for the disabled children. He has no respect for mothers. He has no respect for women. He call women a shower. He label allegation. He make up stories. Everything. Stay away from a rejected property. There is no profit in it. Seaman, I want them too much respect for you. But if you keep associating yourself with this man, I don't think your property will be selling as it is. Seaman, boycott this guy. He were a skibo them, he were a apama them, and were many responsible bloggers. Boycott this man, or make sure my business is gonna move. Like I said, I love you. I respect you. I have very high respect for you. See, man, you are more than this rubbish. Stay away from it. As a person, stay away from this. Go. It's a property in Dana. It's so hard. I don't want to believe that. I don't want to believe that Jpac so people can be able to buy. I don't want to believe that your own is among. I'm just telling you because of how like okay? Stop allowing this guy to do commercial for you. No son at the properties down actually. Before some properties, now I can't go like area. I don't want to believe it. I don't want to believe it. I don't want to believe that always Yoku. I don't want to believe it. Stay away from this guy. Before I know why I'm telling you. Only Olamaki that want the betterment of you, because I know that you are respectable. Despite that I still believed that you were a very nice, respected man. And I'm joking. Do you still want this person to be commercial? Then come one day about some properties in Don America commercial. Get your boy about who you know. Want some sacrifice? I don't want to believe that all company go. I try me believe here. Stay away from this. I want you to still hold your respect in a high esteem. Stay away from this. Boycott this guy. I know what I'm telling you. If you want to hold your dignities and respect, this should be someone you should stay away from entirely. Because you know, after me matter, that will be fair. Business I don't want to believe that this way. I don't want to believe that you are monk. Okay, come we here. Aya, Otila, Singapore. I don't want to be a party to believe that such thing exists. That is why I'm calling on you. Stay away from it. Stay away from an abomination. Stay away from an abomination that can never be omitted.
I'm going to say you, but I'm simple.
And I'm about you up to like property ala kanko. That's good enough property. The property abulam. I know the land. And again, you're in a core rubbish. You don't even have nothing to say. In a core rubbish. I'm gonna go and do test. That is the bone of contention. I get let it know to like guy in a also. I get let it your big in a also. We must examine it. So whether you like it or not, we must examine it again. I don't call for anybody to give me land. Hell no. You have a property. No, person. Alanashism self as well. Okay? So all these things you're talking is wrong. Oh, I cannot buy away. Give us a list in a patronize. Am I crazy? How can I be calling you for a list before and a good sacrifice and it's no? I don't know.
Ora go ma mo bota na obe ke dije ebe si ba de rana ngo na first day dia wana na abugo second phase agora dia na third phase ne ba zero and even that third phase actor na 6 million naira na ba da first phase 2.5 3 million but I everything that go even that first phase na 12 million now na third phase that na 6 million oh yeah be well is it because ni na each na ya na what you go agbaga na go wa na he we can about land banking. We don't do what is called land banking. The same man open was they do the FSA Abuja. We go na Abuja we go record 12 million, 24 million, 30 million. Neighbor neighbor ta wo ya na which are na use. Ma na barempa, ma na ya na. Even at the back of Osabe. So just see listen, let me tell you young lady. I'm not going me if actually drag him. Who you so don't go and be talking nonsense. All these things that I if you come to one day Marciana Kurele yana never I'm saying na Kurele body best even na Kurele ka nobody ema I'm not correct to know that make it here go na Kurele.
Let me tell you one thing. I got me tinye go na money but I'm na job and dem madu na sacrifice. And I'm etinye ego the money but I'm native up and dem madu no onye nwe ya na kana hide ka happy man o onye dibia nwe. How can I put my money there? Am I crazy? Money bruise okwo ahia. Money bruise okwo no onye ola nwuru ya na destiny ya la ile. Now why do you think they buy all this umu agboro na esusu majority of touts and news and situation everywhere? Not because of this. So how will I put my money in a things that I know that is a danger zone already? Why would I do that? Why would I even fucking do that? I'm asking you. Isn't that what you said? So why would I then na ebe shine secret onye nwe ihe anaka na lekwa ihe ọ na-eme? Then why would I then onye na on the owner na hide can people happy man all deep ya ka ọ na-eme? Now he key other faces they represent here. So why what the fuck are you talking about? What the fuck are you talking about? I'm just trying to figure out what you are trying to say. What you are trying to implement. Have you ever seen a clonus woman? Had the dashing here walking here with me, Yamania Wakadia. And I call you.
No, Kunele go make it till and can't no stop or stop in the warehouse where they do.
Let me tell you, nothing stuck nowhere. Nothing stuck no here. Madagashi, giga ebana gene, kahapo ebana, ebana ko akanala, pang, nebane rewrites now, never. Ebane job. You are the one that destroyed these things. I wonder how you're still coming out to put and get stuck on our warehouse. You are the one that already destroyed yourself because of getting ego. Enegi 1 naira gaba febe, enegi 2 naira gaba feba. These people that are even using you as art are jeopardizing their companies. They are putting their businesses at stake. I am telling them the truth because you should be the last person anybody should have anything to do with. You want to go? Any company like you stand to represent is a dead and arrival. Unless that company want to excel like other companies. Unless that company does not want to excel like other companies. I'm not going to waste your post, staying away from this person. Contract all again, end it. With this man, end it because you have brought yourself to a path of destruction. Truth, I'm telling you, don't partake in such abomination, in such arrow.
No, now. I don't want to record this because I don't good like record it. I'm not I don't record calls.
Hey, you don't record calls. When I go to play with voice notes. You are the one that playing voice notes. You can't keep secrets. So what are you talking about? You start playing voice notes. You start playing things that never existed. You start making up stories. So how can this company trust somebody and hold the credibility, the ability to have anything to do with? How can a man that has no integrity to protect, and who nothing to write home about, the company later not sign again? That is a problem in your company. That company don't want to sell. That company is meant for doom, because no atom of secret, because actually every business. Oh yeah, Otilo, go here. You're not meant to be here. Otilo, she up one. Now I am asking you, these companies and I represent, what do they stand for? Company that support abomination, atrocity in our society. And is that what you guys want us to stand to gain? And I say no to it. Guys, share this program. They are reporting it. Share the program. Click love and like. Share the program. Is that what you want us to be patronizing? Hell no. I say no to it. I say no to it. You are not a good advertiser. You have brought shame and ridicule to these companies. You have brought shame upon shame. You are a pain to their business. You are a disgrace to their business. You have come to destroy what they labored for. Only an intelligent investor will stay away from you. Only a businessman that they don't follow and they don't follow social media at this now. If that person who think faculty, people panuru make a good commercial will stay away from you. You are a destruction of patronize good things, and I will keep saying it. Ndola wena mamihe should boycott everything that has to do with you. Period. Absolutely period. And I'm telling you exactly who you are. Nobody can tarnish nobody. All I stated is nothing but a pure truth. Somebody called me this morning. Shimoge, I know that 80% of things you're saying about Jpac is true. Then I replied the person, you are the only person that giving yourself 80%. 101% everything I said is truth. So if people can accept 80% that I said is true, but me know you fully aware that everything 100 ways you open. So now what are you saying? What are you then not saying? So if people 80%, some believe 90, some believe 95, some believe 98, that means they know that I never lied against you. Now let me go to the company, this commercial email today. People should be aware, stay away from you. Now let me reconfirm that everything I said about you is nothing but the truth. Let's go through this video now. Let's see if I'm lying or what I said is nothing but the truth. Hold on. Let me go to this particular video. Cameraman, what I'm saying, is it true or lie? That is why I keep reposting videos about you.
I will play you voice note of Akoko. If I want to Jpac. I greet you, my lovely fans and friends. I'm going to go on bata. All of it actually metata. Basalo Jpac and Ogeshi Chaka allegations. That video from before na mama Jpac little exposed because it's my brother. But all the video alone na say na ndo bana ha you are back. That video now before move for image you alone Jpac little exposed. Makone mensi sikidisi abadi yaja. This may be an opportunity for Jpac to repent because Jpac has destroyed many homes. And Jpac as well has tarnished many people's image. Let me get straight to the point because now Oku didn't. Ogechi is an evil woman. To me, Ogechi money abroad because the way she play give me a like come here. On a bargain ya with peace. And this is I don't know boy. I'm on a shame than a man. I know when if an abonnee to Ogechi, pure truth. Because na Jpac as well. If I was Seaman, Ogechi it's a truth.
Okay.
Jpac as well.
Okay.
If I was Ogechi 98% good truth.
Okay.
Because na Jpac as well. I know that one.
Okay.
Do know what I'm but now we see because now I'm not for your maturations. Let me expose Jpac Lero. This video, share the video. Why last year, if you could remember, after when Jpac and Amon came over, who was
okay.
Just because Jpac is my name, then who was what's my name? Really, me Facebook. Everyone is a brand.
Okay.
By now, Mondays and one or my way to live out. But because there's somebody, she did DJ. I'm still here. Now I'm one Dodger.
Okay.
Those things over with Jpac, which is my page.
Okay.
Which they on my page now, I can jump with you. My voice is my legacy. Okay. And the home was usually gone up on. Jpac has betrayed many people. He has betrayed even himself.
Okay.
Let me tell you how Jpac operates.
Okay.
I will play you a voice note of our call. If I want more about Jpac is more walago. It's the voice. And I will simply some voice. For example, Jpac I come on TV alone sometimes. Jpac or the TV alone 247. Jpac Ogechi Chaka alone. Jpac
he used me, but I was smart enough.
Alone. Jpac Tracy Empire alone.
I better use the time in
many other bloggers like Ebony Son, Ukong Gutibie, Fendi Abgini, his merchants, which are alone. Plus other people didn't cause. Before them, when he bring out lies, oh, to say out of room, make years, or by Obonye, Pasalonia, before you know it. Only a queen in a page, only a queen in a page, only a queen in a page, if I think he is a lie.
I know what I mean.
I know many information to make it really can pass here. Good lies. Though I did some mistakes. From matter, don't hear question, put him some things when they were done. That's when I shot him. Now I'm telling you, I'll be so.
Okay.
Jpac now, many people are low. You watch here, go to TV. Now lose Jpac on. Don't want to Jpac. I go for this you. Now be a Jpac. Umesia. Jpac one small little problem which governance you. Or pack all the voices of secret was like organization could do more same way by a war.
Okay.
I refuse to do that. Here are the voice notes.
Okay.
Then Umesia Jpac money and so based on not some budget to war. I refuse to do that. I'm not gonna open your kwasi. Jpac gas governance you police ni ne o mo basalo man to ga amaro ko le fa welum when I was in Igbo work with lies. Jpac na alu with it. I can't do the Nokija. Gomesia, I was set to Jpac. Faso, all the secret. Gakolo, governance yoku, or whatever be a war. Jpac na alu with you, Pierre than Nokija. Gomesia, Faso, Ojekolo, governance yoku, the whole secret of Ubia than Nokija. Jpac. And everything masala kwoko.
Okay.
Yes, I'm on him.
Okay.
Every secret.
Okay.
Every almost if I'm on bokish.
Okay. Okay.
Everything.
Okay.
Makesima.
Okay.
Makedo tuni na kaino.
Okay.
And the Jpac call. Praise Jesus.
Okay.
Every secret masala kwoko na no.
Okay.
Mercy Jpac is praise Jesus. Jpac is called for this you. Praise Jesus now want to.
Okay. Okay.
Jpac can operate very wrongly.
Okay.
To destroy many people. I'm not calling my this empire and I'm calling my guys go baby.
Okay.
But Jpac, you make more harm than good.
Okay.
One ele mado ten kobo.
Okay.
Any why go down. If I go there, we will not blame her. Emma why?
Okay.
Jpac that girl where boaro.
Okay.
Don't mabo what they are not covered.
Okay.
Jpac that girl where boaro. Everything was had to get to God to cover this, God to everybody, but I refuse to leak the secrets because I'm a man.
Okay.
Jpac pasara mu to don't want bad na mu. Oto mo chena ya bo ita mo esi ko be se o come get to mu. All I'm getting
billionaire. Thank you.
I know everything about everybody, but I'm blind.
Okay.
Jpac.
Okay. Thank you.
Even you are watching Ghana.
Thank you.
Jpac can go extent to destroy your image.
Thank you.
By all means.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alusiego. Oh, Jesse Haba Mission. On one, you're not 250 million. Naleki. Jpac information.
Thank you.
Just to fight that man, not 5 million.
Thank you.
Evidence. With them voice.
Thank you.
Just to spy that young man. The man.
Thank you.
We are friends.
Thank you.
I know many information when you say so. I hide it. That's why you know your journey born of mama. Anyone came to prayer, the guy and I told you, you believe. Jpac fit with lies about me and other people. Which is you. We say Jpac can walk side there, come back to me and tell me more about her. You see, know your job. Like you say about your program also. Descendant them. Call me for you, not call someone to you.
Okay.
That's how Jpac operates.
Okay.
Even though Geji,
thank you.
1 million.
Thank you.
Ever 3 billion.
Okay.
ACJ ever.
Okay. Thank you.
But I don't talk all those face because you know why? I know na Jpac Bonyasi. For come with it, when Jpac put it everywhere. I anando Jpac Gilasly. They with who brought us information on the government camp until that man put it out.
Okay.
Jpac a baby kill out. So the friend are by war. I don't like the emotion because we never why.
Okay.
This is time to stop Jpac.
Okay.
Or by normal tuition and teaching. Can get number one. No saga. But if you hear don't gas. If you want saga, a bad truthful saga. Or you could say, because Jpac has nothing to offer. Than it like it. Allow me to tell you something now about Jpac on camera. I'm going now. Thank
you.
Jpac,
Thank you.
even media will. before Jpac, voice.
If I never say anything.
Even campus of justice.
Thank you.
Jpac, they bring information about you.
Oh, yeah, I got to
all those Sagona Bambo, Jpac information.
Thank you.
Jpac have used almost 80%.
Everybody.
This one with his lies. Yes, you. Like what you read in like Jpac must be stopped. Come where you can face reality. Give her over them, man. Today, no one else won't go easily. Oh, Jpac, they feed you with the lies. Until that man went so. Jpac below your one. She is a banker. Can one else with man pass man? Oh, Jpac, they feed you with the lies.
Oh, yeah.
About man pass man. Because I have to be clear and deal with.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you. Hey, it's telling me here. Who did we come on the man pass man? Who did we get one pass man? Okay, Hakaja. But people that time impose one pass man. Oh, Jpac, but I made that thing. That time impose one pass man. In the about that. Oh, Jpac, but I'm everything. It was that man pass man. This man, you not hearing down your oh, Jihana, oh, accurate. Oh, one year, but I be here was one pass man. O chetere la mi ihe na di se ga akụkọ buru ibu o maka shima kpozila ha akụkọ ebuka ihe onye akọrọ akụkọ ebuka
When Subu Jpac Bologna.
ee
Kedu mgbe oge ebi?
mba agba ya ahụ sọ isi ọka agbaliwe ego ị na-emere ya nke ị na-emere ya nke a
Omu head is safe.
Nobody on this planet is safe. Nobody. Thank you. Everyone is safe. Never.
So, can you watch the video? I still maintain my stand. Jpac got my brother. Mana. That's all one now.
Thank you.
Makana. When I meant to be funny. Oh, Jpac try all he could. Don't say you are poor,
thank you. Do I want him to pick up to take the car? Do I want him to take? He heard about this guy. Maybe I was up, man. Maybe the guy, my passport to him. If I put the passport, and I'm put any here. If I put the passport to this particular onion about one nail. But remember that the guy war. Yeah, down inside the guy or the guy become look. Imagine no one. Put away those things on your against this man. Imagine this man get away. Oh man, oh she from Jpac. This is how this devil operates. He will go and set you up, but they him brain. Ejum the thing about the man war. Abraham Bashino, something needs to wisdom need to apply. This is how this demon operates. This is how he operates. Nana go fuck ja cause on na sita nana onya look at onye gara wedding onye gara church ga wedding nwanya puta ga na agbara wetere ya justice. This man is not a stable person. Trust him at your own risk. And about something funny get people this thing for these things to stop, and they have started it must stop. Rubbish.
Jpac was my enemy overnight because when now somebody cheat to one,
oh gosh, problem what's the problem with I'm watching Bonya war may refuse. I mean, I put up my passport to ya. Everything about this man. May born on Ethiopia. I'm on a reaction on a Tajap on June, the matter how many million. My voice record of the man Jureju. All Jureju are my impulse. Ya won't Jpac. Ya won't on that information on your way. Not information on your way. With the bloggers in if you refuse to dance to his tune, you'll be get by Hoge made up with him.
I have the whole voice note. Enough.
Always your poo. You don't need to tell me. Always your poo. Oh, be remember everything about you. Makesha chogato, Mandana chogis rego, my passport to get number one in Huaga goes the resume. I'm going to get Jpac. When this thing started, I am your problem. I am not just the company and are they hiring integrity? Are they hiring uselessness? Are they trying to put their company into jeopardy as they're trying to save themselves. That's what I mean, man.
Jpac na ya internet FBI. Ulufuzie na mo abo internet AI. Papa magana emife. I follow you with wisdom. So in a joke Jpac emife you are on your own.
No.
Jpac but Isaac Wamba na Ethiopia. No didn't hear them man. Well asali Kurusha Jackie like better Ethiopia. Jackie. Come on me to where to know.
Akwena na ya.
Pek on dosele. Jpac said it's and he live in Ethiopia.
Ayoku. Ashele na ata Jpac na meji ya here. Na Jpac na ata ni na ihu di ririe. Ai Chineke na.
Magamoro nyamdo. What have Jpac jelu so na na. Jpac break we like one bakuna. Mbojere Dubai. Okay ba. Jack one babu when you check we say what Jpac ba Dubai. Una bara aka wa on fire one me. Bakucho ni boji. Ocho ni abukusi. Ocho no abumba. Fina abgani bona wash.
Baruma he welcome my brother.
Come on and do today. That people when they watch always fast man.
Thank you.
Did get you people. Come kind of conjoso. Jpac ni kelekele. Hospital. Ai kelekele.
Okay.
Simon Stephen. It's in Hana.
Asene.
Gabiga.
Hey.
So please, before you know, I'm going to say, Mambo, because Jpac to Bojo,
Thank you.
Jpac Megalo. If it's my town village, Jpac that I'm like to do big.
Thank you.
It's not going to be there good day. My phone will put Jpac here forever. Extended his brand by 2020. We find a battle play.
So when we find a battle for Drege, and when I'm watching pro.
Page here for the staff. One never one day page Yamma. So if you Yamoro, I consider Jpac is my brother. And if you Jpac, if you know, hey, if you know, the very kind of you know. Hey, I'm a baby, see you. Jpac and I you are selling.
Okay. Thank God though, because you know why? Oga we him national gate chairman. Listen to this one again. Okay. Okay.
Jpac okwu anyị ọnụ.
Check and block
Jpac okwu anyị ọnụ ma n'ihe onyonyo abanye na abọ gara aga. Ebe o jere n'obodo a na-akpọ ụmụ ọkpọ ntu na nga ọkpara. Wee jee jide aka n'osisi ọdịnala. Osisi alụsị.
Gee ntị.
Wee na-aṅụrụ iyi na-aṅụchite onwe ma ndị na-egwu ya egwugwo.
Ọ ga-aga one akụọla 1:30 na madam self. Guys, let me go and start getting ready to go to work. Tomorrow on Wednesday, I will come on live, or tomorrow too if I have time when I'm going to work. Now one akụọla 1:30. God, madam, see you.